Hey guys, Machines and Metal. I'm just in the shop here working on some stuff. What a disaster, huh? It's busy, it's springtime, we're in the thick of it. Anyway, I'm working on this Toro. This is a rear bagger, Kohler powered rear wheel drive Toro, and it's got the personal pace drive system right there. I wanted to show you about the blade clutch cable. So on these machines that have this blue lever and this switch, when you start the lawnmower, only the motor starts. The blade does not turn with the motor. They're separated by a clutch. And this arm here, this lever, engages the blade to the engine. This cable pulls on a device underneath the mower that pulls the blade clutch half and the motor clutch half together. I think there's a belt in between, and it tightens up and the blade starts spinning. Now the bonus benefit feature to this system is if you have to dump the bag many times, like 8 or 10 or 15 times while you're working on your cutting your grass, you don't have to shut this lawnmower off. So you only have to start it once and it'll run the entire time. A lot of older mowers all have this option. Toro's acted like they've reinvented it and put it on these machines as a selling feature. It's a nice feature, guys. Anyway, let's get to the video. I wanted to show you how to adjust this cable. So this blade, this is a new one on here and it's too tight. I put it on a while back and it's much too tight. I'm going to show you how to loosen that or tighten it. So if you've got an old cable that's stretched, or like your belt clutch, your clutch belt underneath is maybe a little bit worn down, something like that, and you want to tighten this up, because when you engage this lever, the blade takes a while to start spinning, or it even stops spinning while you're cutting heavy grass. You want to tighten your cable. I'm going to loosen mine, but I'm going to show you how to do it either way. Anyway, so you've got this cable. It's mounted to this little bracket. Guys, these break all the time. They're really flimsy, these things. This is a brand new one. I have high hopes for it. I've seen dozens and dozens of these broken. I don't know exactly how it happens. So if we flip the lawnmower up, try and do this with one hand, because got one hand filming, one hand working. Under here, guys, you can see, I don't know if I can see this, right there. Okay, so this cable right here runs kind of up and through the deck and up that handlebar to the end, and the end of the cable goes through that block. See that block right there with the bolt in the middle? That's a 7/16 nylock bolt. Sorry, this thing's not focusing. There you go. That's a 7/16 nylock bolt, and that's a pinch block. So this piece of cable housing, you can see that silver, it runs through, and out the other side comes just the cable, and it actually runs under this cover, and it ends on a spring that causes it to actuate this clutch. So if you want to tighten this up, guys, if you want to make this pull a little bit harder to make the blade spin a little more with more aggression when it gets worn out, what you want to do is loosen up this nylock nut right here, and then pull this cable back towards the back of the lawnmower. Not very far. You only want to pull that cable back maybe 1/4 of an inch, maybe 3/16 of an inch, just a little tiny bit, because if it's too tight, you'll end up snapping that piece of plastic that I was showing you up there. If it's too loose, in my case, if it's too tight, you want to slide it forward. If you want to make it tighter, make it pull harder, slide it backwards. And again, you only want to do it about an 1/8 inch to 3/16, maybe 1/4 on an old one, but not that far. So you just loosen off that, and slide it back or forth, whatever you need to do. Tighten it back down, and you're in business. All right, anyway, sorry for the mess of video that this one is. I was just doing this today, and I thought someone out there would benefit from knowing how to adjust this. Probably save you $80 taking it into the shop and having them do it for you. Anyway, have a good one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Make more videos for you next week.